I don't care.
I don't care neither, but hi guys, welcome to our channel. This is our first video and my name is Dulce.
And I'm Victor. Blink 182. Don't send her DMs. Send me DMs. Go ahead.
Okay, yeah, you're gonna be my manager. We're gonna talk about our new iPhones. We just got the iPhone Pro Max 13 and I'm kind of excited. I don't know about you, Victor, but
I'm wearing a Christmas hat and Christmas socks.
Because it's our Christmas day today.
Christmas
on
came early.
October. The point is like my first iPhone, my first and only iPhone that I ever had was the iPhone 4, and it was a really nice iPhone for me. Like I had a really good experience when I have it, and I never upgraded in that time because I was thinking to myself that the newest iPhone were too big at that time. I was thinking like, this is huge, I don't like it. But now, maybe because I'm older and I think like bigger screens are really nice, I decided to buy the Pro Max, to be honest. And I don't know, like I'm excited. How do you feel?
Yeah, my first iPhone was the 3GS, which I also paid, full price for, as we did for this one. And yeah, I remember transitioning from the flip phone to the iPhone and really like ushering in that era of being able to take decent quality photos. And now with this iPhone 13 Pro Max, I really want to use the Pro video features where it does almost uncompressed video. I'm really excited about a bunch of the different features. The big screen will help me fly my drone. Being able to have that smooth video, so as I'm making little videos, house tours and different areas, like even on vacation when I'm traveling, having that smooth camera, it's gonna be great. I can't wait. 4K video, all that post-processing that Apple does so that I don't have to spend time color correcting.
Yeah, and we're about to open the new iPhones.
We're not just gonna open the iPhones. I bought a bunch of other junk to go with it that we're gonna try out. Okay?
Let's do it.
You ready, baby?
I'm ready.
There we are. The iPhone 16 Super Pro.
Pro Max Plus.
This is...
Oh no, it's just Pro Max.
When we combine them together, they form a super iPhone.
Oh, you can make like a foldable iPhone together?
Yeah, so can I have yours? Okay, here we go. This is not an unboxing, this is a double unboxing. But oh my God.
Oh, that's huge. Okay, I have a friend that is released now, and he said that we should choose the blue color because I believe iPhone make like these different versions of these color versions of each upgrade or something like that.
Yeah.
But I don't know if you can see in the camera, but I love gold. And I didn't choose gold in the first place, but then Victor chose gold, and I was like, what if I regret later of not choosing that one, So I changed my mind and I chose gold as well. And now we have matchy phones.
That's right. It's not too late to switch if you want mine. Yeah, I mean, wow, I do have to admit, I mean, the presentation obviously is great, even with Apple kind of like minimizing the boxing experience to a very straightforward, just open the front of it and here it is. I can already see my fingerprints are all over it.
Yeah, I actually like the color because even if it's gold, they put this like, I don't know if it's the paper because you think it's the packaging?
No, this is the real surface.
Because I think it's like a...
It's like a frosted matte finish.
Yeah, and it's not like super gold here on this side, so I do like that.
What's in here? I know they stopped including the chargers. So these may not even be charged. We may not be able to turn them on. But from what I understand, that when they ship products, they ship them with 50% battery. as that is the least likely to explode.
I want to be honest, I'm this kind of person that never take out the film when some artifact like this is new. But they did this, so I have to take it out. Otherwise, my phone will be with the original film forever.
Okay, well, here it is. Shall we turn it on?
I'll turn it on. Okay. It's happening. Oh, I have to admit that it's beautiful. It's really nice. I can't wait to drop this for the very first time and feel the pain.
It's gonna happen very soon. All right.
Oh, what is those letters?
Language select.
Okay.
It's saying welcome. Here we go. Quick start.
Ooh, oh, I barely touched the screen and I feel that it's reacting. They are reading my mind.
Setting up Face ID.
That's my trauma. I never set any Face ID in any phone, and now I have to do it.
It wants you to wiggle your face. I'm not just doing that for fun. Move your head slowly in a complete circle. As we're setting up the menus, which I'm sure you don't care to know about, we're going to transition into checking out the accessories I got on Amazon and at the dollar store. Here they are. So these two are dollar store screen protectors. They claim to be tempered glass screen protectors. Of course, they're for the 12 Pro Max, which the 13 happens to be almost exactly the same in terms of the screen. I think the only difference is the little notch area, but that's not going to affect the screen protector. I also bought what appears to be better screen protectors from Amazon, a MagSafe wireless charger for the car, and this charging cable in gold, which matches the iPhone itself. So we're gonna give it a try. I've never used MagSafe. I'm a huge fan of wireless charging. Let's start with this dollar store glass screen protector. It's got a bunch of tape, and I don't have my keys as I change my pants to be on this video. I may just have to go Hulk on it if I can't open it. This is part of the unboxing experience, is the struggle. They don't want this to be easy. I mean, if I could just open this, I would think that it's really worth like 5 cents, but it's worth a whole 99 cents plus tax. Okay, now that I've cleaned a perfectly clean screen from the factory.
This protector that it's out of Amazon, which is called Unique Me. It comes with the tempered glass, and it has the protections for the camera, which I think is really cool because, how do you call this, like
A camera bump?
yeah, like a bump. And I personally, I don't like that because I always feel that if you put the phone here, like you want to protect the lens of your camera like against anything. And I don't know, I really don't like this part of this design on iPhone, to be honest, because I think it's dumb to be like pushing your camera against everything every time. But we got these things and we're gonna put this here to protect the cameras. The cons of this, I don't know if it's really gonna happen, is that I wonder if it's gonna have some like changes in the way that we're gonna be able to see through the camera and this protector, and not just like the camera itself. I still feel more comfortable having the protection over the top of the cameras than having just like the phone like that. You know, as I was saying before, like I don't feel comfortable putting my phone in the table like that, or sometimes when I'm taking pictures in the street, like I put my phone in the ground, things like that. So I don't want to mess with my camera. So.
And we both put on glass protectors. She put on the one from Amazon, and I've got the one from the dollar store, which is for the 12 Pro Max. And there's a little difference in the notch area. You can see, I hope you can see that doesn't quite cover the notch the same way.
Yeah.
And of course, the dollar store one did not come with this back camera protector. We both got ours from the 2-pack that I got from Amazon. This is the car charger. It features USB-C input and MagSafe, so you can click on the MagSafe and have this mounted on your vent, and then plug in the USB-C and charge it that way, so you don't really need the lightning cable for this, which I think is really useful.
The only thing that I think we are missing after all these things that we are showing you is the case, because I haven't decided which kind of case I want, but I have in my other phone like these bulky cases, because I was saying like I don't trust myself on carrying a phone in my hand just like that. Phones are heavy, so, and my, what's this, like wrist? Yeah, my wrists are very weak, so I'm always dropping my phone all the time, and I think I'm just gonna end up like buying like some military grade case, or yeah, if you know about like any kind of case that you like for your phones, if you wanna leave us a recommendation in the comments, like that would be nice, so we can try out like different styles. But it would be nice to have something that can show off a little bit the design of the phone itself too.
Yes, and definitely MagSafe compatible. Now we're gonna take a look at this, which is MagSafe, and I've never seen MagSafe before, so we're gonna try it out. Look at
Looks
that.
that it's working. I didn't know, I had no idea that iPhone comes with like the magnetic thing here on the back, which I think is very nice too.
Okay, and then now that we know it holds pretty well, we're gonna try charging it. Yeah, I mean, it's working. This was, I think, under $15 on Amazon with a special coupon.
We should make a video how to get coupons out of Amazon.
They don't need that. They know how to do that. Just go on Google and type in slick deals or deal news or anything with the word deals in it. Okay, and here it is, the $2 lightning cable. You can never have enough of these. Should we Hulk it?
Yeah, we're gonna do it anyway. No way, you're pulling the cable. I almost got it.
I didn't set you up.
Okay. Of course I can do it. What do you think?
Well, I mean, obviously there's not a whole lot to talk about, but it is cool that it has the sideways connector. It's not a standard connector for USB. It's one of these like minimal, stripped down.
I might say that it's very nice for being a product out of like 99 cents store.
All right, folks, thanks for sticking with us. Thanks for making it through the video. You saw the iPhone 13 Pro Max unboxing pre-Christmas special. There might be a shortage. We got ours early, so we made sure we had them.
Yeah, I wonder what we're gonna have for Christmas when the time comes, if we have this iPhone now.
We're just gonna act like we're incredibly modern and don't do Christmas anymore.
Or Christmas in October.
Because we already had it before anyone else.
Let us know if you want us to review something else. Like, we don't even know if this channel is gonna be about reviews, to be honest, but I mean, let's just have some fun, no? So, thanks for watching.